very proper. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube. What am I doing? Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chiggy, and I'm a lifestyle vlogger, DIY, and I teach a lot about growing your YouTube channel on my page. Also, and I'm also a hairstyle. Yeah, I talk a lot about hair too, because I'm a natural hair, first natural hair. Okay, a lot of talking about myself. You're welcome to today's video, and
if you find the one, you should never give her up. I think
in today's video I'll be talking about vlogs. It's hot in Nigeria. It's hot in Nigeria, guys. It's hot in Nigeria. So I'll be talking about vlogs and how easy can vlogs be. So first of all, I'm here to tell you that if you've been trying to become a lifestyle vlogger, or if you're trying to make vlogs and you've just been, oh my god, I don't have the enough aesthetics. Okay, we all don't have the most perfect aesthetics. We all can't come out from a G-Wagon. We all can't, have the whole beautiful flowers all over our houses, the whole, house on top of a hill, house on a skyscraper, where you can just wake up and you can see your entire city. We all don't have that. We just have to start creating from where we can and grow from there. So how easy can vlogs be? Vlogs can be very, very easy if you just put your mind to it and start. So the first I'm going to talking about is what are vlogs and what is vlogging all about. Okay, so unlike blogs, which is writing about something, a story, or an event with your hands, writing it down, writing it out of your hands, your laptop, whatever, just typing it. Vlogs are a presentation of a story. Vlogs are like you're telling a story, but you're telling the story with a video. Vlogs are like mini movies basically, but then they're just like about an event, just like blogs, but then video vlogs. So basically vlogs for most of us is just about recording what's happening around us and letting our subscribers know, our friends know what is happening around us. So vlogs can actually just be very easy if you just decide to start. I remember when I said to make my first vlog, I was really shy about it, but then I said to still make it. I watched a couple of videos on how to make vlogs, and I'll still talk about I'll still post or tell you guys a couple of places where you can, a couple of people where you can watch their videos to know how you can actually make vlogs. I'm still kind of a new person to vlogs, I will just say that, but I try my best. So the first things first is to decide on what your vlog is going to be about, and to decide on when you're going to vlog. So you can decide that, okay, I want to vlog about Christmas, I want to vlog about Easter, I want to vlog about how my day went, and that is the first session. I want to vlog about how my day went. So you have to wake up early, get ready for the vlog. I initially wanted to make a video whereby I'm telling you how I vlog, but I won't be able to make that today. I will definitely make it another video, and you guys should look forward to that video. And before I go ahead, if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome to my channel. And if you're a new subscriber, a new person, I'm calling you a new subscriber because I'm hoping that you'll be hitting the subscribe button and join the family. So let's continue talking about vlogs. The next thing you need to do is to write down what you want your vlog to be about, the parts you want to be in your vlog. What I want to record when I'm waking up, I want to record when I'm making breakfast, I want to record when I'm sleeping, I want to record when I'm going to shop, I want to record when I'm at an event. All these things, you need to write it down, if possible detailedly. Detailedly write down how you want your vlog to go about a day before. Don't write it that day, write it a day before, so that the next day you get to see yourself vlogging and you get to remember, okay, I wanted to vlog when I'm cleaning my house, I want to vlog when I'm cooking my breakfast and making lunch, I want to vlog when I'm working out, and then you get to just do all those things and put it in your vlog together. So if vlog you need to actually have a direction of what you're going to when you decide to start vlogging. And the next thing I'll be telling you guys is what to get. You need this camera shutter. You don't always have to go front and back to watch yourself. Then you need a normal tripod stand, which I'm using right now to record this video, and then you need a hand grip stand, which you can use for whenever you want to like talk to your friends. Okay guys, hi guys, today is Friday, Good Friday, and today is 7th of April, and I'm trying to make a video of how to vlog and how easy vlogs can be. So I hope you guys enjoy today's vlog and move around with me. Yeah, this is what it's for. And yeah, apart from that, this is also very important. And then you need a normal tripod stand. You can start vlogging whatever you have, your phone, your digital camera, but most importantly you need a flash drive. I always talk about flash drive because flash drive is very I'm looking for my flash drive. Don't mind me looking around. I'm looking for my flash drive. I don't know where it is. Okay, so flash drive is very important, especially if you're vlogging using your whatever, digital camera or even your phone, because if you're vlogging your digital camera, you need to actually transfer out the vlogs to a system or your phone or wherever you want to edit your videos into, edit them. And vlogging with your phone, you need to actually transfer out these videos, to create space while you're editing your vlog, because vlogs can actually get really bulky. I have a vlog I've been trying to edit for over a week now. My system has just been having so much issue. I pray it gets better in Jesus' name, amen. Okay, so my system is having a lot of issue, and this vlog has more than 30 videos in it, so vlogs can actually get really bulky until you try to reduce them. Now the next thing I'll be talking about is to let go of being shy. You have to realize that you're putting your life out there. You don't have to tell everyone what's happening in your life, but then you have to let them into your life to a certain extent. You have to let go of being shy, because you're going to keep a camera and record yourself. Whatever you're doing, you're waking up, you're sleeping, whatever you're doing, you have to keep a camera and record yourself. So vlogs can actually get really easy when you just let go of being shy. The first time I recorded myself at shopping, a lot of people kept looking at me. I'm in Nigeria. A lot of people kept looking at me like, why is she always holding her phone that way, and trying to record what she's doing, because I had to even go out with a tripod stand and had to set it up and had to video myself picking up things. So all these things, you have to let go of being shy. You have to just ignore the fact that people are looking at you. This is what you want to do, so you just go ahead and do it. Now the next thing we're talking about is the settings on your phone. First of all, for you to get a clear vlog, you have to set your phone to 4K 30 or 4K 60. You have to make sure that your phone is set where there's enough light, because you need light in them to make very proper vlogs. You need light. I make most of my vlogs in the daytime, and at dark places I try to put a ring light. I try to put any source of light to at least give it a little bit of brightness, so it won't look so dark. So you need a light source when you're making your vlog, so people can actually see what you're doing. It won't be too dark, it won't be too bad when you. And to place your phone, do not forget your phone has to be slanted this way. I'm looking for any of my phone pouch so I can tell you guys how to drop your phone. I don't have any of my phone pouches at the moment, so I'm going to use this as an illustration. Normally you make videos like this, but for YouTube, make sure your videos are done like this, and your camera has to be on top. I really wish I had my pouch at this moment. Okay, let me go find my pouch. I'll be right back. I got my pouch, and yeah, now when you're making YouTube videos, I don't know if I've mentioned this before, but you are not supposed to record yourself like this. You're supposed to record yourself like this. So make sure your videos, your camera, your phone is this way, and your camera is up, not down, not like this other way, so you can record yourself properly. When your camera is up, you get to actually get to record yourself high. I don't know how to explain it, but then you realize when you make the mistake of keeping your phone like this, you realize how it keeps recording the down part of yourself and not the up part of yourself. So this is a proper phone setting for your vlogs. Now I've spoken about lights and I've spoken about phone settings, and the next thing I'll be talking about is a microphone. I know I'm not supposed to talk about the microphone when I'm not using a microphone myself, but my microphone spoiled and I'm still trying to get a new one. So you need a microphone for your vlog so you can actually get the sound of what's happening. Make sure you get a microphone. I'll definitely get the microphone before the end of next week, so I can stop making videos like this and so you guys can hear me properly. but then it's actually also very important when you're trying to make vlogs. And the next thing I'm going to tell you guys, I should understand that vlogs is like acting a single-handed movie, a movie where you're alone, a movie where you're just showing people how you dress your bed, how you prepare yourself. I love watching vlogs of some ladies I see on YouTube, even some guys, mostly ladies though. But then you could just, realize that vlogs can actually be very beautiful if you just be free, realize that you're acting a single movie, a solo movie. You get to talk to your YouTubers, your subscribers from time. So like you tell me earlier, I was holding my hand grip, where did I drop my stuff, and I was talking to my subscribers. Oh, hi guys, welcome to today's vlog. As you're doing the whole vlogging process, do not forget also talk about what you're doing, how your day is going. Okay guys, I want to step out and go and buy chicken. I want to cook this. I want to have my bath. Okay, it's time for me to go make my nails. You get to communicate to your subscribers, to your viewers, that this is what you are actually doing. Making vlogs is beautiful. I love making vlogs, even though I'm still learning a whole lot of things. Now the next thing you need to realize is that while you're making vlogs, you need to move your camera around. I'll make a detailed video on the tips you need to use while making vlogs. So for now, I'm just telling you that vlogs can be easy, and these are just a few things you need to start with. With these few things, you are ready to actually start vlogging. And move your camera around, record a particular process more than once. Vlogging can be a bit stressful. I'm not going to lie to you guys. Typical example is you're trying to record yourself entering your house. You have to actually enter your house, drop your phone camera, go out, drop your phone or your digital camera, step out of the house, close the door, open the door again, and walk in. That's basically how to make vlogs. You're trying to take something from your fridge, you have to open your fridge, put your phone inside, make sure it's properly recording, and then you close your fridge, open your fridge again, bring something out. Vlogs can actually be a bit difficult, but you have to get to enjoy it while you're doing it, and the outcome is always beautiful when you do proper vlogging. And a tip I'll be giving you guys is that you have to be free when you're vlogging. Be free, record your day, don't care about what everyone thinks. I make videos when I'm outside and I get people looking at me, and sometimes I get shy, but with time I'm like, okay, whatever you think, this is for me, this is what I love doing, so I go ahead and do it. So just let go of shyness or whatever you feel it is, and just make your vlogs. Be free, make your vlogs, enjoy the vlogs that you're doing, and you actually make a good vlog. The last thing I'm going to tell you guys is that vlogging involves a lot of making videos. You could get 30, 40 clips, 20 clips. Like I said earlier, I have a vlog with more than 30 clips, and I'm just like, where am I supposed to start with my laptop lagging? So vlogs involve a lot of videoing, so you need memory space on your phone to actually make vlogs. And I think that's all I have to tell you guys. And to answer my question earlier, how easy can vlogging be? Vlogging can be very easy if you put your mind to it, and it can also be very difficult when you put your mind to it, because you need to think out of the box to vlog properly. So thank you guys for stopping by today's video. I'm making a detailed video on all the tips and tricks you need for vlogging very soon, so watch out for it, and do not forget to watch my vlogs. Tell me what you think I need to change, tell me what you think about my vlogs, and so on and so forth. So I still remain your humble YouTuber, Chicks Dem Man. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button and like, and become part of my growing family. Thank you guys, and see you guys next time. Bye.